my kitchen, guys. Today we're gonna do buttermilk pancakes. For this recipe you're gonna need white flour, some crystal sugar, baking powder, 2 eggs, buttermilk, butter, maple syrup and berries for the dressing. So for the process we're gonna start by weighing all the ingredients. We're gonna need 150 grams of white flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 50 grams of sugar, the 2 eggs and 200 milliliters of buttermilk. We're gonna start by adding 50 grams of butter into a cold pan. And we're gonna take it as one step further and make it gold brown. We have the pan on medium high, and when it starts to get bubbly, you're gonna wait a little bit. As soon as you see some color, you're gonna set it to the side and wait it to cool down on the pan. Our butter is getting to a gold color and you can see some bits on it. We're gonna now set it to the side and let it cool down. For this we're gonna separate the egg whites from the egg yolks. For this I like to use my hands. Separate most of the egg white as possible and not contaminate the eggs with the eggshells. So I just take my hand like this and put it on the buttermilk. For now I'm gonna add the sugar into the egg whites and gonna whip it to soft peaks. So you want to whip it to about this point. You just want to put some air on it that your pancakes get fluffy and high. Now I'm going to add my brown butter to the buttermilk and egg mix. Make sure you get all the butter left over in the pan. And set the pan to the side because you're gonna use it for the pancakes. Now with the whisk, you're gonna mix the egg yolk with the buttermilk and the butter. And sieve all the flour into the buttermilk and egg yolk mixture. Now just fold it in. You start to get like a more consistent dough. Some lumps is okay. Just like this. Now you're gonna put it all together with the egg whites. Just make sure you go to the bottom to mix all mass together. Now you're gonna let it to the side for about 15 to 30 minutes and then it's ready to cook. For this I'm going to use a scoop, and what you want to do is fill it about 2/3 of the way, and you want to put the mass for one pancake in 2 times. So you're going to go and put like half of it. And then when it starts to set, you put the rest. My pan is too hot, I'm going to just lift it a little bit to let it cool down. Guys, this was the recipe. I hope you liked it. Please comment down below what you'd like to see next, what you liked on the video, what you didn't like on the video. The links will be down below for the recipe, and for Instagram, please go follow and subscribe our channel. And to top it all off, we're gonna use some icing sugar.